Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sarkar Jila menta ka sngi thok diang ka Mynjur ban Shim salai pusan Akar ka Jaka Tynring New Shillong Township. Hak ban Pynkynriah ka Central Jail na ka Jaka badan menta siya ka New Shillong. Unong ay katiyan ka Sarkar uba abulat miki Shila. Ulaong baka Kynhun Myntri ka Mynjur ka jingpin kalay ka Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act Arja Henriel ka baayla ka Jila ban Pynkynriah ka jingna pisa jongka na ka 5% siya ka 0.1% ban yo ya ka ram. Dak bertengi ke rukom terikam ke bala bot ha usnam baladep. Hakawi pat karai ke bakongsan uba welat miki udaong baka Kynhun Myntri kalapin kala ya ke rule 6D jong ke Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules arja khatnyo ban pensya ya ke jing pendap miki pos jong ke group D ke jing pen kala ke penting na ba 100% na kini kam benta an pendap na kinong tre baman kapor ke penbet ya ke jing kulmar ke mi na ke jing prebna ke bay persya ke bala penmi ha usnam sya khnai spa khnai phenrio bat arja khatnyo lapin kalaru iki kendan syakri na ke benta ke Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission ke bala aila de ke commission ban thawir ke jong ke bor thongkam bat thong nong tre de ke balai duit ka Kynhun Myntri kala ajimut ban thong byang yu justice Shivaji Pandey como president jong ke State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission namar baka samai trekam jong u kebeminta kan kut ka hendu trik unok pra arja arpusan nalor kata la ajimut saungut ki dekhot bethamai jong de commission u major un sam bentalang nongsi bat urud heri kajupe sangma.
Brief you all regarding the agenda for the meeting of cabinet held today on 14th of November 2025. So the first one is amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. The second one is the acquisition of additional land at Tynring, New Shillong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from here from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. And the third one is the amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are two of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. And the fourth one is the service rule for the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. We are just amending on this where we are where they will be allowed to have their own recruitment board and to recruit their staff. And the fifth one is the proposal for reappointment of the president of the state commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025. And as per rule, the President of the State Commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years, subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey as the president. And another, we have also recommended the name of the members. The 4 members recommended are Major Unsam Bentalang Nongset, Shrimati Rupa Paul Chaudhary, Shrimati Nelisa Ferret Kharshien, and Shri Bijoy A. Sangma. So these are the agenda discussed today in the cabinet. So the rate, you mean to say for the rate. So the rate actually it is 250 per square feet and to 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is, the DC notified rate is 2,900 per square meter. So we got it below the DC notified rate. No, because now see we are in the process of acquiring the land. So once we acquire the land, then only we can proceed with the construction.
So this land is purely belong to the private party
Yeah,
or also
private party, and it is from the previous owner only, where we previously also we have bought the land for I think for police police reserve or something.
and this land will solely used for the construction of jail.
Jail, for that I think that the clarity is not with me, but for right now as I have been informed that this is for jail.
The area, how much is the area required?
35 acres. As of now, I think we are not in the. Definitely, we'll try to develop it, but as of now, I think I'm not in the position to say all that, because I think the urban department will be definitely they will think of something good in order to beautify and to ease the congestion actually.
And what's the timeline, sir, for completion of the acquiring of the land and building the?
See, because we are in the process, because it has to be clear from the cabinet. Then only we are already in talk with the so it is, since it has been brought to the cabinet, so I think very soon it will be clear.